Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue. And I'm Sanjit. I hope you remember me by now. And this is our channel, The Global Tongue. And in this channel, we always talk about communication. So today I am here again with my new video. And the topic of my today's video is, how long have you been? So this topic will be covered today. So, whenever we want to know about friendship, the duration of friendship, so we need to use this format. So this is called, how long have you been friends together? Alright, so how long is always used for duration. Have you been friends means both have been friends together. So whenever you want to ask somebody how long, about the duration of the friendship, so you have to say, how long have you been friends together? How long have you been friends together? Alright? So this is the question. And now how do you reply? So the reply will be, we, because now, how long you've been friends together? So the other body will be saying, we have been friends together. We have to use for here. For, let's say, 3 years now. Alright. So the question was, how long have you been friends together? And the answer is, we have been friends together for 3 years now. We have been friends together for 3 years now. And if you ask me a question, how long have I been friends with you guys? So I've been friends with you guys for, let's say, a month now. Alright. So, and the same question, if it is asked for third person, so how do we do? So, how long would remain same? How long? Alright. And the subject will be how long. So has we have to use here. Why has? Because we will be talking about third person. How long has, so the subject is he. How long has he been friends with you? So the question is, how long has he been friends with you? So how you reply? He has been friends with me for, let's say, a month now. For a month now. The question was, how long has he been friends? How long has he been friends with you? Anywhere. How long has he been friends with you? Friends with you. So he has been friends with me for a month now. So this is how we use how long, right? Because I often hear people, whenever they want to talk about the duration of the friendship, they are not able to use a nice format. So this is the nice format. How long have we been friends together? We have been friends together for 3 years now. How long has he been friends with you? He's been friends with me for a month now. So now I hope you will be easily able to ask question to anybody. Got it? For how long? And अब मैं आपको हिंदी में समझाता हूँ. How long have you been friends together? इसका मतलब होता है, अगर आप किसी को जब पूछते हो कि आप कितने समय से फ्रेंड्स हो, so, आपको स्टेटमेंट यूज करना होगा, हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर. इसका मतलब होगा कि आप कितने समय से फ्रेंड्स हो. तो आपको रिप्लाई करना होगा ऐसा, वी हैव बीन फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर फॉर 3 years नाउ. हम पिछले 3 साल से एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड्स हैं. और यदि आपको थर्ड पर्सन के लिए पूछना हो, हाउ लॉन्ग हैज ही बीन फ्रेंड्स विद यू? हाउ लॉन्ग हैज ही बीन, वो आपके साथ फ्रेंड्स है कितने टाइम से? ही हैज बीन फ्रेंड्स विद मी फॉर अ मंथ नाउ. ये आपका तरीका, ये है ग्लोबल फॉर्मेट. सो हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन फ्रेंड्स? तो आप जब भी किसी से पूछोगे कि आप कितने दिन से एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड्स हो, सो यू कैन आपको यूज करना होगा हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर. Got it? So guys, I hope you may have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.